Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
Okay. If I didn't mess up the aim point, that ought to be good.
Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
Okay, I think that's good. Good deal.
Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
Okay, I heard the last shot.
Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
Last one might have been a little low. So that's a 97, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 97 2X, I guess. Okay, that's not too bad. Not as good as I'd hoped. Now, it looks like though, I need to go down. I'm going to go down one click. I'm going to go down one click.
Ready on the right. Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
Shot it too fast.
This is a string of rapid fire. 5 shots in 10 seconds. With 5 rounds. Load.
But the gun ran fine.
Is the line ready? The line is ready. Ready on the right. Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
Don't know about that. At least they're centered now and they weren't off to the right. So tightening my grip helped, but I'm still wiggling too much. 97, but with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5X. So it's a 97 5X. That's good.
Ready on the right. Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
I know I had some out of the 10 ring that time.
Ready on the left. Ready on the firing line.
One high left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a 98. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a 98 2X, I think. Okay. So that's a little better.